y'all? It's your girl Beautifly, and I'm back with another video. So today, y'all, as y'all read by the title, I am in Miami and I am getting my teeth done, period. I'm also here for the hair show, but I'm here for a couple of days before the hair show. Don't mind my hair, it's hot as ever out here. For my dental procedure, and I'm going to vlog it. I'm gonna do a couple of vlogs. I'm gonna do a night care routine. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff for y'all, just to upload y'all, just to give y'all content, period. Fit check, period, in Miami with it. Like I said, don't mind my hair. I didn't flat iron or nothing because I'm rushing to this dental procedure, but I'm gonna bring y'all along. So yes, I'm in Miami with it, with the vibes, excited about it. So stay tuned, period. Doing my first appointment. So I'm gonna show y'all my teeth now. Hey y'all, so I am back in my hotel room. I'm done with my appointments for today. They moved my appointment up to get my teeth done tomorrow. I was supposed to get my teeth done on the 26th. Done on the 26th, but they moved it up to tomorrow because your girl teeth, I took care of my dental work before I got here. So, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tired. So this video, I want to tell you guys the procedure and how much I paid and all this good stuff. So anybody that want veneers and is wondering and thinking about getting veneers, you're gonna know everything you need to know from this video. So before we continue this video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a new video. And let's go ahead and get into it. So basically, you have two different type of veneers. You have porcelain and you have composite resin. I'm getting composite resin. That's the cheaper ones. They last up to like 10, 20 years or whatever. Of course, they'll last longer if you do your proper maintenance, take care of them. I'm sorry, y'all. My little cowlick just won't lay down. If you do your proper care or whatever and take care of them and keep up your teeth routine and all that. And then they have porcelains, which is, porcelains go up to 10,000, you know, okay. Those are the porcelains. Eventually, depending on how I like these, I may come back and get the porcelain ones later down the line. But right now, we're going to do the composite resin. In total, I paid $51.50. So that's $5,150 for my teeth. Y'all, when I tell you, first of all, I'm going to Dental Design Smile. I am in Miami. Okay, I've been researching them for years. First of all, let's start there, years, okay? And people on the internet or people that I've been looking at, like YouTubers, other YouTubers that use them and all that, they wasn't lying about their customer service, okay? Their customer service is top tier, okay? Y'all, they came and picked me up from the hotel. They took me to the place. And as you guys can see, I inserted all the footage. And then they brought me back to the hotel. And tomorrow, I think they will come and pick me up again and take me back to my appointment. What else did I miss? No, I did not have to get my teeth shaved down. I don't know. I guess you guys will get more tomorrow. I guess this vlog will be finished tomorrow or whatever, because there's really not much, you know, that really happened today. I mean, they did my cleaning today. Not a deep cleaning because I made sure, that's another thing, guys. If you think about getting your teeth done, make sure you do all your dental work where you're from, okay? Get your dental work done at home. Don't come down here and get your dental work done here and then get your dental work done here, and then you have to pay extra, because If you have cavities or anything like that, they tax, okay, on top of whatever. Now, what I will say, they do run specials, y'all. Like right now, I got a special. I did get a special, and it was 1,000 off my special. So yeah, don't do everything here. Do your dental work at home before you come. Talk to your dentist. Ask them what you need. If it's a deep clean, get a deep clean. If it's a rectal clean, get a rectal clean. If you got cavities, get them done. If you get crowns, now crowns is the most expensive one. Like if you got crowns, you need to, I don't know how in depth that is because I don't have a crown, never did have a crown, none of that. But I just heard that it's expensive. Like if you have a crown and you want to get your teeth done. But I highly recommend Dental Design Smile. Y'all, even the office alone is gorgeous, okay? Everybody in there got on suits, just classy. Like classy, like my cup of tea. Y'all gonna see it in the video because I inserted it. I'm gonna insert it again. Classy, my cup of tea. But I just want to come on here and update you guys. So right now, I'm about to get undressed. I'll get in the jacuzzi and relax. So I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow when I'm getting my teeth done, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, guys, I have an update. That's why I'm coming back. Don't mind me. I was just eating, and the food was busting. Okay, anyway. Guys, they moved my appointment time up to 8 o'clock in the morning. At first, it was 1, and now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So, y'all, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna be a whole brand new me, baby. New journey like this. Oh my God. Y'all, I just got through eating, so let me brush my teeth for floss. Well, y'all see my teeth now. Y'all, listen to my teeth now. Get a good look at them, because tomorrow they're gonna be different. Oh, y'all, I'm so full, y'all. I just ate some baked seafood pasta. It was so good. When I tell y'all top tier, it was good. Miami, y'all, it had crab in there with shrimp and bell pepper. It was so good. A1 top tier. I prayed for that. I said, God, please, because I hate being places and the food not good, especially when you super hungry. So I prayed. I said, God, please, when you give me this food, please let it be satisfying to my body. And that's exactly what he did. But anyway, I'm about to go get ready for bed because, y'all, we got to be up and out, okay? We got to be up and out because I got to be at my appointment at 8 a.m. First thing in the morning, new teeth, who it is. Good morning. It's 6:37, as you guys could see. They're coming to get me at 7:45, so I'm about to start getting ready. I'm excited. I went to sleep late because I could not go to sleep because I was super excited, but I think I'm fully rested. I'm about to go ahead and get my hair together, all that together, so I can be ready when they come and get me. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm waiting on my ride. They're on their way to pick me up. I know y'all probably looking at me like, Rachel, why you got on a hoodie in Miami? Y'all, that dental office is so cold, and I'm not gonna be cold today. Not today. They got me yesterday, but not today. I'm not gonna be cold. So yeah, they just texted me and said they'd be here in 10 minutes. So yeah, we waiting on my ride to pick me up, to take me so I can get my procedure done. I'm so excited. Wow, today my whole life is changing. Crazy. I can't wait. Stay tuned, guys.
Holding
y'all. So my bad, I forgot to record when I was leaving the office, but as y'all can see, I got my new teeth, period. Guys, I love them so much. So I'm not in any pain. I'm still kind of numb over here, but it's almost gone. It's wearing off now. What else happened? They did cut my gums like I thought they would. What else? The only thing I would say that was uncomfortable, like, y'all, my back was hurting so bad. And I think it's because how they do the chair. I'm still getting used to talking with them. So if I look like I have a little lisp, but I love them. They so cute. I love them so much. And I feel like this is the best investment I ever made, period. They are gorgeous. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my new teeth. I came back here at the hotel, got in the bed because I had to be there at 8 o'clock this morning. And now I'm finally back. I'm about to knock out or take a nap or whatever. But I just wanted to show y'all my teeth and come close out this vlog. Because I've been recording for 3 days now, I feel like. Well, 2 days. 2 days. Yeah, I definitely have a lisp. And I got a lisp because, so, on my original teeth, I have canine. Like, I want them to keep my canine teeth, and which they did right here. I love my canine teeth, but I guess that is making my lips come, or me talk with lips, but it's fine. Like, I love them. Like, I love my teeth. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to be looking at the camera, but I keep looking at myself. But anyway, if my face look crooked too, the numbing shit haven't wore off yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna close out this vlog. I got some more vlogs coming for y'all, so be on the lookout. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Cause y'all, today is a new day. Like, today starts a new journey for me. Like, I got new teeth, period. 2022 don't owe me nothing, okay? Period. Anyway, like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts. Also, comment down below things you want to see on my channel, because that'd be the problem too. I don't be having ideas. Like, it's only so much you keep doing with hair and hair over and over. So comment me some ideas what y'all want to see. I'm trying to do some different stuff. Y'all know I'm a wardrobe stylist too. So if y'all want to see some clothing hauls and all that, well, I'm gonna do that anyway. I lost so much weight, y'all, and that's why I've been waiting for to do the clothing haul. So yeah, I'm gonna do that anyway. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye.